Why do some people seem to effortlessly attract money while others almost repel it? Do they know something that the rest of you don't? Have you ever wondered what's the secret behind this? Well, if you are one of those people who are struggling to attract money faster and you are really working hard, but wealth and abundance are still seem elusive, then this video is for you to help you to know the secret to attract more money into your life. So today I am going to tell you only 3 things you have to do to make wealth and abundance follow you. So watch this video till the end and let's get started. First thing, I want to tell you about this before you can have wealth into your wallet. You need to have wealth in your mind. So that means before you can make and have money you want, you have to think and believe that you are actually going to attract and earn that money. It's all roll up your subconscious mind. So, what can you practically do to build up that wealthy mindset? First of all, note this. And pay attention to your feelings whenever you check your bank account. Okay? I mean, do you feel good or bad or something in between? Or do you feel ashamed or worried just because you have not much money? This is the major block to attracting money into your life. So, whenever you feel bad about your money, you are creating, or I can say attracting, circumstances of not having enough money. So stop feeling negative or bad about your current money. Start to accept your money as it is, release all tensions and worries about it. And relax and start to feel wealthy. Okay? This will change your situation and you will definitely create circumstances of having more money into your life. So this is the first step and it's really important to you because your subconscious mind, which is responsible for your life attraction. First thing, write down a certain amount of money you want to attract. Okay, now every day, whenever you feel like it, sit in a quiet place and take a few long, slow, deep breaths and imagine that you have all that money you want. Create a picture of what you want and feel that experience of being wealthy. Imagine your bank account with that particular amount of money you want. You can decide whatever amount you want and in how much time you want it. Okay? But one thing I want to tell you is that be realistic. Okay? It's not like you desire for 1 million in just 1 month. You have to create something realistic goal that can definitely achieve in certain time. Okay? Action. Checking is the first and foremost step to attracting money faster in your life. So start searching ideas for tracking money. Make plan to earn money and wealth. It's not like you imagine money and appear without doing anything. Not at all. So take your action, seize opportunities and be consistent. Do visualize every day. Make a note of the exact amount you want and in the exact time you want it and go for it. That's it. So wealthy mindset and proper visualization and right action taking will definitely make you more wealthier and abundant. Okay, I hope this is helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe and I will catch you in the next video.